Man, it's such a nice day. Finally went to a BMV for something fun for a change. Went and got my first motorcycle license plate. I'm not afraid to show it either. I'm listed on Google, so you weirdos can find me if you want to. Isn't she nice? Look at it. And great. I have this thing up and running in no time still. I got the carbs put on. Got throttle cable hooked up successfully and properly. Snaps back and everything. I'm just waiting for this sleeve. So it's just like a little rubber boot. For now, for $5 each, I got a pair from Lowe's. So, or else the real sleeves, they have like a little bend to them. They're not completely straight. Are like $38 plus $40 in shipping. They're from China, so just like the petcock I ordered. I ordered a new petcock for this fuel tank. And as you can see down there, I got it cleaned up pretty good. Rust here and there, but very good compared to what it was. So I've got a petcock coming for it, and fuel line, fuel filters I've got all ready, and yeah, I should have this thing up and running by this weekend. So stay tuned. Everything here. A few other little projects I'll have done. My mini bike will be complete here this afternoon. All I'm doing is just straight chaining it. Jack shaft is completely ruined, so just working on breaking the chain, getting it the right length, and then getting a chain tensioner set somewhere in that area. So stay tuned. And also for the scooter build over here, I got the scooter all busted down. Got the whole thing on video. It's coming along pretty good. I got some parts that were rusted, painted to prevent rust, and then I'm going to get at this also and paint the frame as best as I can without taking everything off, and save it from rusting. So, good deal. Alright guys, peace. Alright, finally stopped raining. It is probably still a little wet, but as you can see from the dying grass in the circle, I'm working on making a little track in the backyard. So what better time to tear at it than when it's a little soggy. until I kill it. Then I can find neutral once it's dead. Oh, I want to put that kickstand down on a soggy ground. That was successful. It's a nice ride. I like that it starts up right away every day now. Don't even have to choke it. So that is a very good sign. And if you hear me like revving it high, a lot of the time it's just so I'm not killing it. It doesn't like to be cold. So you can even see like it's still perfectly fine to the touch after all that. The engine needs warmed up quite a bit. So definitely needs warmed up a lot in order to idle. So I got it idling the other day, but this morning I went on a little cruise around town and no idle. It just died. Every stop I came to that I didn't just keep it revved up. So, alright. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy this great day. And peace out.